Hi everyone. I know this is very late, but I have my Petit Vour August unboxing and I have some thoughts. So, first of all, here is the card. Very pretty card as always. Let's see, or that way. Was designed by Zoe Woders. And the theme is, well, it's the August 2019 summer box. As summer draws to a close, we're soaking up the last moments of heat and prepping our skin for the transition into cooler temperatures. This month's box features a mascara with a show-stopping formula, a Hawaiian cleansing cream to take off the day, an acid-based toner for smooth skin, a blemish-clearing serum that heals and maintains a clear complexion, and a natural fragrance that will have you swooning for fall. We'll see. I am looking forward to the lengthening mascara because I am a mascara. Let's see, is that it? Can you see it? Good. And then that's the other side. Very pretty logo. Ideal for sensitive eyes, this smudge-proof, water-resistant mascara lengthens and thickens lashes. So I have some mascaras open. I kind of don't want to get this open yet, but it is a sample size. Petit Vour is a sample size. I should have said this. Petit Vour is a generally sample size. Every once in a while you get a full size of something. It's a beauty subscription box. It is cruelty-free. And it's, okay, so it's free of animal testing, animal ingredients, and harmful toxins. So it's cruelty-free, vegan, and clean, or non-toxic. So let's take a look at this. They gave a very nice, easy to find perforation, and it didn't work. Because it's very tight. Let's see if I can get it now. Nope, not quite. Yep. There we go. So this is the wand. I don't know if my phone actually does auto-focusing, but I'm not going to make quite the same mistake I made on my last video, but I will just put it on one. One of these days I'll remember to bring up an actual mirror, or I could do it in my monitor. No, I can't, because if I look at my monitor, which is my TV, I'm looking the wrong way. So I won't be doing my bottom lashes, that's for sure. So that's how it looks on me. I'm not sure if it looks great or not. I have, as I've said before, I am blessed in the eyelash department, except in the last 15-20 years they've started over curling at the edges, but we shall see. And I love these glasses because this is absolutely a luxury problem, but I can't wear glasses and mascara. But these glasses are farther away, so they help. So that was the mascara. The Pakai cleansing cream is Hawaiian salt, hibiscus. Oh, I'm sorry, the mascara was $18 for a sample size. Hawaiian salt, hibiscus, and seaweed cleanse, repair, and renew for soft, hydrated skin. So that is that. It is a sample size for $12. And if it's going to hydrate, then that might actually be something that I can use. Let's see what's next. The Essential Radiance Toner from Derma E. I like Derma E. It's a glycolic acid and rhubarb, and it says, this alcohol-free exfoliating toner with glycolic acid helps to tone, tighten, and brighten for a smooth and luminous appearance. I am not sure this is good for dry skin. And unfortunately, I have been looking into the camera. So hold on, I'll be right back. There we go. I had to get my iPad. I was looking into my camera, and so my light is on, and that makes it difficult to read anything. So let us get some information. But here's my problem. This is the exact same box everybody got. While I'm waiting for the Derma E thing, this is a Juice Beauty Blemish Clearing Serum. Reduces breakouts, unclogs pores, and even skin tone with this powerful serum packed with willow bark, salicylic acid, and organic fruit acids. This is $15. I'm sure it's great for people with oily skin or skin that's sensitive or skin that breaks out. I, in my beauty profile, told them I am none of those things. Still got the same one. Let's look at Derma E. Bring that up. And then the last item, what did I do with it? Oh yeah. The last item is called, it's a little perfume sample. It's called, oh God, all I can see is that white light. It's from Petit Vour. Petit Vour? I'm assuming that's small history. It's called Envie de Soi. It's violet glistens while gentle rose dances in soft rain. Powdery orris is the quiet, cool whisper of Paris. This is all floral. I hate floral perfumes. And this little sample, well, at least it's only $5. But, you know, the problem is that I can go to Sephora and get samples that size of any perfume I want. And it's one of those ones that's kind of hard to get out, excuse my faces, without getting it all over everything. It's got a little thing to dab it. And it's just, it's awful. Now, other people may love this, but I cannot stand floral perfumes. I like patchouli and things that have got woodsy, like bark wood and earth scents in them, not roses. And I hate roses, especially the smell of fake roses. So let me just see if I can find now the Derma E Essentials Radiance Toner. Shop by toners. I'm not sure what it says. It's for a radiant complexion, so it might work. And it is alcohol free, which is always good if you've got dry skin. And usually they tell you what kind of skin it is good for. Let me give you some ingredients. Purified water, glycolic acid, sodium hyaluronate, which is hyaluronic acid, and Actimoist Bio 1, which is a trademark ingredient, polysorbate, sodium hydroxide, pinister. So I'm looking And I will say that I don't so far, I don't see any alcohols in here. So it might not be so bad, but it's acids and really dry skin are not always a great combination. And these are my thoughts. I really feel like Petit Vour defrauds its customers. I believe that it performs a bait and switch because the whole point of the subscription box is that you fill out a beauty profile. You tell it what kind of skin you have. You tell it what color hair you have. You tell it what colors you like. Now, the only thing that in the last 4 or 5 months that I've been getting it, the only thing that had any difference from every single other unboxing I've watched, and I watched a number of people that have got oily skin, is I got a brown eyebrow pencil instead of, a brown eyeliner pencil, which was very hard and I can't use, rather than a black one. That's it. So to me, Petit Vour is defrauding their customers. They're defrauding them by telling them that we are going to do this thing. You're going to fill this out and we're going to give you a personalized box every month. And they don't do that. And that is why I spent my money with them. So I am going to be canceling my subscription. I am going to be requesting my money back, which they probably are going to say we don't do, but I am going to remind them that this is what they said this is what they promised me. This is not what they gave me. They have voided the contract. And that makes me really sad because I invested when they were looking for investors. I invested. And they have everything else about Petit Vour. You know, they've got great products. But I bought a subscription beauty box that was supposed to be based on my skin needs, my coloring. We've gotten only 2 cosmetic items to begin with, I think. Makeup type items. We got an eye pencil, maybe a lip liner, which I don't remember which box I got that in, and a mascara. And that's it. I didn't sign up for skincare only. I signed up for things that were specific to me, and I go online and they say August's box is still available, and they have everything that's in the box, and everything is the same for everybody. That's my rant. I don't know that I'll be doing any more unboxings for you. I am hoping that they're going to give me back the remainder of my money. I mean, it's not an expensive subscription box at all. It's $18, I think, and I got, it's $18 a month. I bought a year, which was $180, which gave me 2 free months. That's not enough. I still spent money out of my pocket for something that I was told I was going to get, and I didn't get it at all. So those are my thoughts on Petit Vour after my latest unboxing and watching other unboxings where they all got the same thing. Thank you so much, friends. Please remember, search for the light within yourself because that makes it easier to find it in others. Be well. Bye.